The account structure page of the diagnostic is a little funky, and there's a lot of information contained here, but with a little know-how, you're able to sift and sort that data and find some really useful insights. So we've got a few different charts and tables here. This first one is showing you the number of ad groups per campaign. Now you can choose to collapse the campaigns and just look at the various campaign types. You could then blow that back up and see the individual campaigns through all of those different campaign types. This conditional formatting isn't highlighting good or bad, it's just showing the number of ad groups with the highest number in the darkest purple, the lowest number in the lightest color. Next we have the number of keywords per group. So if you scan down this list and were to find a really high number of keywords, then you may want to go and investigate that ad group. Next, the number of ads per ad group, so the just total number of ads in an ad group. Now, to make this more useful, you can also start to filter all of these reports. So, for instance, you might want to hide the deleted, paused, and ended campaigns, just show eligible and the budget-constrained campaigns, remembering that the status of a campaign, even if it's eligible to run, if it is bumping up against the budget, it's going to change that status to budget constrained. So you don't want to filter for just eligible. Then ad group status, maybe you want to get rid of deleted and paused. And we can even dive into the individual ads. So again, we might get rid of deleted and paused, keeping approved as well as approved limited and poor ad strength. The benefit of that is going to be it's going to make this chart down here much, much easier to read. Now, I can't do anything about that formatting of the number, sorry, but if you hover over there, you'll see it much more clearly. 7,600 approved ads. Looks like we've got 53 poor ad strength ads. We could even click on that to filter the rest of the page by that and tell us where those poor ad strength ads are. So then we're able to go and discover which campaigns and ad groups those are in and go work on those first. We're not probably going to worry about these campaigns that are spending less than $100, but maybe these top two here we might choose to then go dive into. Now to undo that, just click on that chart again and it will unfilter. And so in here we've got the number of ads per ad group, again sorted by cost so you can find the most important stuff first, and keywords by match type. So we've got the number of keywords per group here, but then the number of keywords by match type as well. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can filter this, sort, and chop and change this to find areas of the account that you might need to go work on.